All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week, it's 2 for the price of 1. That's right, we're gonna make a beautiful appetizer of some Shishito peppers. We're gonna cook them 2 ways. First up, classic with just some soy sauce and mirin to give it a lovely sweetness. And then we're gonna go rogue and do it chili, garlic, and sesame oil just to make it absolutely explode with flavor. Guys, so easy to do. So come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, let's grab the Shishito peppers. Now, I've just given them a quick rinse in some cold water, drained them off. And guys, I mean, these are, they're basically chili peppers, okay? So Shishito, Japanese, so Japanese chili peppers, although you can find them right across Asia. Now, they are pretty mild, so that's why we can blister them in the pan and have them as a little appetizer with a nice cold beer or something like that. Although, kind of just like jalapeno roulette, 1 in every 10 is going to be thermonuclear. So we'll watch out for one of those. Anyway, really simple. Let's cook them straight away now. So let's just make sure we've got no water left in that bowl. Now we need a good splash of olive oil, good pinch of salt. Let's give them a good mix together with our hands. And now we can get our pan on a nice medium heat. So the trick is when we're cooking these, we want to cook them long enough that they soften, but we don't want to cook them too hot that they completely char up. Let's get half those peppers in. Right, we're just going to move them around very quickly. And to make sure that they soften up and cook, we're just going to get a lid on that. And we're going to cook them for probably about 5-6 minutes. Yeah, just give them a good mix around every now and again. Make sure they're not completely burning on one side. Okay, they look fantastic. So let's add a good splash of mirin. And then we're going to add another splash of soy sauce. And I'm using light soy sauce. And now we can just move that around. We're going to let that cook out and reduce down a little bit. And now we can plate up. Okay, I've cleaned out the pan. We're going to get that back on a nice medium heat. And once that's hot enough, we're going to cook the peppers in exactly the same way. You know, it's going to take about 5-6 minutes. Once they're ready, okay, we're going to add in roughly about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes or red pepper flakes. And I've also chopped up about 3 cloves of garlic and just roughly chop them up. So let's get them in. Now we need to move them around. Once they become lovely and aromatic, we're going to add in the same quantity. So a good splash of mirin, and then we're going to add another splash of soy sauce. Guys, that is smelling amazing. So the only thing we need to do now is just finish that off with a little bit of sesame oil. That looks great, so let's plate up. Here we go, guys, 2 beautiful appetizers, really quick to cook. We've got classic, and then, you know, I'm looking forward to the chili and garlic ones. So let's have a little taste. Okay, and, you know, this is such a wonderful way to cook them. Oh, my word. I mean, it's an amazing sweetness that comes through. Works so well. Absolutely perfect, guys. Really, really, really perfect. But I like my heat. I like things nice and spicy. I like garlic. So that's why I do this one. So although it's not traditional, you know, you can forgive me for not doing something completely traditional. but I know this is going to be. Oh man. Oh. So good. So good. Hot, spicy, sweet, sour, salty. Mate, it's got it, guys, it's got it all. It's got it all. So anyway, up to you which one you want to do. You decide which one you should do. Get in the comments, give us a thumbs up. I will see you next week with something absolutely delicious, and I am going to go and enjoy the rest of these. In fact, I'm going to go and pour myself a beer and enjoy these. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.